Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yanti Sapitri. My NPM is 234110008. Okay, I want to talk about this logical and systematic thinking in evaluating statement. What is logical statement thinking? A logical and systematic thinking process is a method used from and evaluate belief about a statement or assessment. This process involving analyzing information carefully and using reason determine whether is a valid, accurate, and reasonable to accept. In a critical thinking, individuals do not immediately accept information as true. Instead, example advance, analysis, argument, and evaluation. And next, determining the validity of statement. The purpose of logical thinking is to determine objectively whether a statement is true or false. This means the evaluation should be based on fact, evidence, and rational reasoning. Do not a personal opinion or emotion. When evaluating a statement, several questions can be considered. Is the statement supported by reliable evidence? Is the reason logical and consistent? There are assumptions or that might affect the conclusion. Okay, the structure of reasoning process. The reasoning process generally consists of three main components: input, process, and output. Input. Input refers to the information, data, fact, or assumption that are used the starting point of reasoning. This might include observation, research, finding, or statement that need to be evaluated. And next, process. The process involving analyzing, interpreting, and evaluating the input using thinking logical. During this stage, individual examine the process involving analyzing, interpreting, and evaluating the input using logical thinking. During this stage, individual examine relationship between ideas, test the validity of argument, and assess whether the reasoning is sound. And the last, output. Output is the conclusion or judgment, the result from the reasoning process. The output determines whether the statement is true, false, valid, or unreliable, and whether it should be accepted or rejected. Logical statement thinking. Important process have individual analysis, result decision. The conclusion. Logical and systematic thinking is an important process that have individual analyze information carefully and make rational decisions. Through this type of thinking, a person can assume fact or identify relationship between ideas and evaluate whether a statement of belief is valid or not. It encourages people to think objectively rather than relying solely on emotion, assumption, or personal bias. As a result, decision make through logical reasoning to tend to be a more and accurate, reliable, and well just.